You've built your catalog. Now let's put it in front of customers, a storefront they can actually buy from. In PeakCommerce, a storefront is a journey. Journeys are the experiences that sell your catalog, storefronts, signups, self-service, even sales assisted. Here's where they live. Open one, and you see the whole funnel at a glance, connected to a product set, and laid out as the steps your customer moves through. Choose a plan, sign up, check out, and a confirmation. Every step is a real page you compose right here in the editor, dropping in native blocks like a hero, a pricing table, and feature cards. No code, no developer. Preview it, and there's the storefront your customers actually see, a polished plan picker, with pricing pulled live from the catalog you built. Publish it, point your domain, and your storefront is live, turning your catalog into completed orders. That's PeakCommerce end-to-end. Your catalog, sold through a journey, live in front of your customers.